In this video, we're going to talk about finding orthogonal vectors. Two vectors u and v are orthogonal, in other words, form a 90-degree angle, if u times v is equal to 0. Let's determine all vectors v orthogonal to vector u for the following example. We'll let vector u equal 4, -1, 0. Let's call vector v, v sub 1, v sub 2, v sub 3. Multiplying u times v, we will have 4 times v sub 1 plus -1 times v sub 2 plus 0 times v sub 3. Of course, 0 times v sub 3 cancels out. So we have that u times v is equal to 4 v sub 1 minus v sub 2. U times v is equal to 4 v sub 1 minus v sub 2. If these two vectors are orthogonal, then we expect 4 v sub 1 minus v sub 2 to be equal to 0, and to find solutions for v. If we set 4 v sub 1 equal to v sub 2, then we know that v sub 2 is equal to 4t, where t is an element of the real numbers. This means that every vector orthogonal to u takes the form v is equal to t, where v1 is equal to t, for t, where v sub 2 is equal to 4t, and for v sub 3 equal to s. Where, as we've just stated, t is an element of the reals, but also s is an element of the real numbers. So this concludes our example, where our vector v is dependent upon variables t and s, which represent each real numbers. This concludes our example. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.